In this video, we're going to delve into the ins and outs of the E-1 visa, a vital travel document for international traders who want to live and work in the United States. We'll explore the essentials of re-entering the U.S. on this visa and discuss all the required documents and procedures. Here's what you can expect in this video. First, we'll introduce the E-1 visa and its significance. Then, we'll answer the common question of whether you can leave and return to the U.S. with this visa. We'll detail the required documents for re-entry and the visa stamp application process. After that, we'll offer some expert advice and tips to ensure your application is processed smoothly. We'll also have a quiz to test your understanding and wrap up with a concise summary. The E-1 visa is a wonderful opportunity for citizens of treaty countries to live and work in the U.S. The primary aim of this visa is to facilitate substantial trade, which can include services, technology, and goods between the United States and the treaty country. A common question among E-1 visa holders is whether they can leave the U.S. and return. The answer is yes, as long as you hold a valid E-1 visa. Nonetheless, simply leaving and re-entering isn't as straightforward as boarding a plane. You must ensure you have all the necessary documents in order to avoid complications during your re-entry. For re-entry into the U.S., you need to have a set of crucial documents. Firstly, your passport must be valid for at least 6 months beyond your intended stay. Secondly, ensure you have a valid E-1 visa stamp in your passport. This is especially important if you initially changed your status within the U.S. Thirdly, if it applies to you, carry the I-797 approval notice for any change in status. Additionally, it's advisable to keep employment verification and other supporting documents handy, as they can strengthen your case. If you need to obtain an E-1 visa stamp, you'll have to apply at a U.S. embassy or consulate outside the U.S. The process involves your application being reviewed by a consular officer. They will assess your eligibility, and if they approve your application, an E-1 visa will be stamped in your passport. However, approval is not guaranteed, and a consular officer's decision is independent of any status change you may have undergone while in the U.S. If your visa application is denied, it can complicate your plans to return. Let's see how much you've learned so far. Here's a question for you. What is one crucial document you need for re-entry into the U.S. on an E-1 visa? Is it A, employment verification, B, driver's license, C, E-1 visa stamp, or D, social security card? You may pause the video now to think about the answer. We will discuss the answer in the next section of the video. The correct answer is the E-1 visa stamp. This document is essential as it legally allows you to re-enter the United States on an E-1 visa. In summary, navigating an E-1 visa requires careful preparation and understanding of all prerequisites. Ensuring you have all necessary documents is crucial for re-entry. Begin the application process early and seek legal advice whenever unsure. Being proactive and staying informed can help you avoid unnecessary challenges. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts or share your experiences in the comments below. Your journey and insights could help others prepare for their travels. Safe travels, and see you next time.